Good morning, traders, and this is your trade for today. So in this video, I give you my plan towards the end of the video, so just stay tuned and you should get what I'll be doing on the S&P today. Anyway, let's just start on the daily. We have the second bullish bar in a row. We did have Congress grilling the Feds and sort of also placed a vote last night to extend the support to the small business community, the financial support that's in place at the moment. That's probably more than likely why we bounced very quickly, because we were hovering very, very flat during the hearing as well. Okay, what it has done though, it has validated a double bottom, which I'll get to, and it is also sort of tagging the top of the triangle slash flag. And for that, just going to go to the 3 hour here. So firstly, we have, let's just take it from there. So we have that level there, which has broken, and that is our next level at the moment. Okay, you can see this level, which was a measured move as well as a level. You can see all these tails on it, which was 3111, and you can see price tagged it and then immediately came off. The double bottom at the moment, I'm just going to use this level here, is pretty much the breakthrough of this area here. So that is 3092. We've broken through, we've come back, we've tested, we are ranging. So pretty much that is giving us some fairly decent structure at the moment. The next element here is the bottom of this channel. Let's just bring it across to here like that. Okay, so that is the situation we have at the moment. Okay, we're in a channel, we are hovering near the top of the channel. We have broken through a pretty key level here at 3092, and looks like we are testing. So when we start looking at the hour, you'll see potential trend change here. We've broken through the moving average, come back, we've tested it right there, and then rallied into the close. Now, that was the close of the month. So if we just come to the monthly candle, you'll see we ended up with a green bar, pretty much a range bar though. We've got quite a long tail at the top, quite a long tail at the bottom. So range bar, and it is off a monthly level, which is pretty much down here. Okay, so we have stayed above this monthly level, and that monthly level is 3023. Remember, we've been talking about that for quite some time now, actually quite a few months. And you can see how we tagged it, we flirted around with it, and we've moved back to the upside. Okay, so what is our plan at the moment? So there are two things which are going to influence us at the moment. So the first one is this, what looks like a range at a level. My only concern with this, let me just zoom in here, is look at the sellers here. See all these tails? Those are sellers trying to drive price down at the moment. Typical of the Asian session, but we are at a level. So at this stage, that is a range. Okay, now I would be looking for a breakout of this range. Let's just get back down to something. So for me, plan is to be long again. I'm not really looking at anything else. Structure that we have in place right here is pretty much a breakthrough this range. Break through the range, I would expect this trend line and this previous high, which is also level 3111, to be tagged. Okay, that is what I would expect. A breakthrough of this area of 3111 and a retest of this area breaks a downward trend line, and that, ladies and gentlemen, brings me to my first target right over here, which is 3156. Getting through that, then obviously I'm looking at some higher targets here. Big thing here at the moment is this is a fairly strong move up, a very long consolidation, double bottom validated as well. Now we have two double bottoms here. This one is still in play, and now the chart's really going to get messy. Let's just get rid of that, get rid of that. So first double bottom target is all the way up there. Okay, we can use this level here for that. So just going to bring it down to the previous high. The second double bottom, which is this one right here, is going to give us a target right there. Okay, so you can see those double bottom targets are on structure, and that's pretty much what I would be looking at. Okay, so just to recap again, let's get down to 15 minutes here. We are ranging at the moment. We will wait for the European Open. We'll wait for the break of the structure, looking for long stop below the range. First take profit area is going to be in this area. So 3111 is definitely the area that we will be taking some profit. Okay. The nice thing about that is it's going to be a 100-point risk to 120 odd points. So it's a 1-to-1 trade. Nice way to get started. Watch what happens. We do get a breakthrough and a retest of this area and we start making higher highs, higher lows preferably, then we are on it for the double bottom target, which would be 3150. 3190, sorry. So 3190, possibly even 3200 in a round number, but that would be my initial target area. Okay, so yeah, that's my view on the S&P at the moment. We'll wait for European Open, but that's definitely looking like a flag. And sorry, I didn't give you the... Yeah, no, I'm not going to give it to you. So what I was contemplating is look at this as a flag, but because of that spike, I don't think we should even consider that. It basically just brings us up to pretty much up to nowhere, so I'm not even going to bother with that. Just ignore that for now. Okay, so anyway, that's my view at the moment. It is ranging, waiting for a break and retest that range from the top of the channel, then waiting for a breakout of the channel. If we don't get a breakout of the channel and we start rolling, then there's probably more than likely an opportunity for a short scalp to the downside. Probably to come and pick up some levels, and the one level that I would expect us to try and pick up towards the end of the European session, the start of the US session, would be 3092. Okay, anyway guys, hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you later. Cheers for now.